Value of a car decreases by 10% every year. Starting price of the car is £5,000. So how much will the car be worth after 2 years? Well, first of all, I'll show you how some people do this question. To answer this question, this is the mistake people make. They work out 10% of 5,000. 5,000 divided by 10, £500. This bit's fine. Then what they do is, because it decreases, it's a takeaway, we subtract. So we do 5,000, take away the 500. That gives you £4,500. So for that's still okay, right? It's not wrong yet. But then what they do is subtract £500 from this again. So you end up with £4,000. This is wrong. Now to answer this question properly, I want to see what the value of the car will be at the end of the first year. So this is my first year calculation. Work out 10% of 5,000, which we know is £500. Then do the takeaway. So that's the price of the car at the end of the first year. So it's the start of the new year. So at the beginning of the new year, it's £4,500. But then at the end of the first year, second year rather, remember that's the start, that's the value of the car right at the beginning, 1st of January, let's say 1st of January of that year. And we want to know the price, the cost of the car at the end of the second year. So in other words, we are decreasing £4,500 by 10%. So what you do is work out 10% of £4,500 first. 4,500 divided by 10, £450. And then finally, you do 4,500, take away 450. That leaves you with £4,050. That's how much the car will cost at the end of the second year. If you compare side by side with what's right and what's wrong, you can see this bit was right, which we've got over here. Second bit, this is right, and this is where we started going wrong. What we should have done at this stage is work out 10% of 4,500. There, look, that gives you the 450, and then do 4,500, take away 450. So then you would have done 4,500, take away the £450, and that would have given us £4,050. Right, so the only calculation that needs to go in here, in between this step and this step, is this one here. Work out 10% of the 4,500, which gave us 450. And then 4,500, take away 450 to get the answer.